Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add a text box into your Google Drawings. So in Google Drawings, you can do a lot with adding images and adding shapes, but you may need text from time to time. To do that, you can insert a text box. Now there's a keyboard shortcut, well not really a keyboard shortcut, but a menu shortcut up here at the top. This is the icon for a text box, but you can also get to it from the insert menu. I use the insert menu in my videos to help you get more familiar with the different menus. So if I click on insert and then I click on text box, notice nothing really happens. But what I can do is, at the moment, I have a text box that's sort of waiting to be placed. And so as soon as I click on my drawing canvas, a text box will appear. Now that I have a text box, I can insert text into that box. So this is an image of Sir Isaac Newton. I type out Sir Isaac Newton. And then notice I can move that text box, I can resize it, but by using the guides, I can also center it. And that will help make this a little bit more visually appealing, knowing that things are centered. So now I have a picture of Sir Isaac Newton, a caption saying it's Sir Isaac Newton, but this is Google Drawings, so we can actually do much more with this text box. If I double click or triple click to get the entire text, I can adjust the text. So let's say I don't like that, I want it to be much bigger. Let's say I want it to be size 48 font. Pick a nice little font here, scripty. Make the font match the border color. Resize the text box so that it's all on one line, and now I can pick it up, drag it, and center it again. So that looks a lot more visually appealing. And now, if I go back to the insert menu, because I don't have anything selected, notice I don't have the option to insert special characters or a link. That's because I don't have any actual text selected. If I select my text again inside the text box, I can insert a link. All right, and that link, I'm going to just make it a link to the Isaac Newton Wikipedia page. And then I can just paste it in here, or you can make it a link to one of your documents. A number of different things you can do there. Now it shows up as blue. That's the default color for links. That's okay. I'm just going to go back and change it right back to red. And notice it's still underlined. At least that is a visual indication that that is a link that someone could click on in this drawing. So that's how you can add text elements to your Google Drawings, which would allow you to better explain things, name things, caption things, whatever you need them to. And so you can add those using a text box in Google Drawings.